The Mindsmith end-to-end agent is designed to be an e-learning coworker. We've given it lots of intelligence and a lot of tools that it can use to help you design beautiful, impactful e-learning content at scale. There are a few elements to this first page worth calling out. The first is this prompt box. The prompt box is where you tell the AI as much about your vision as possible. But don't worry if you're forgetting some things. The AI will ask questions if it feels like it needs a little bit more context. You can attach documents, really any document. You can give it some learning objectives, writing style. Here you can see the documents that I've uploaded. I gave it a PDF and a video, and I'm telling it to prioritize the content in the PDF, but also grab relevant clips from the video. The other thing is recipes. Recipes are how the AI accomplishes a certain task. So we have some pre-built ones, how the AI thinks about microlearning, how it can think about different document options, video importing, needs analysis, but you can also build your own. So you may say, here's how we like to think about microlearning in our company. I'm going to do the needs analysis one because I want to make sure that it digs a little bit deeper. Okay, let's see what it generates. Okay, it looks like it has some follow-up questions. We'll just zoom through those really quickly. Okay, now it'll take my questions back and think about them and read through my documents, and we'll see what it does from there. Okay, it gave us a to-do list. Okay, here it generated the storyboard. You can see it gave me a title, it looks like an introduction, some learning objectives, and then it generated a description of every single page. So it included some quotes from my document. It's showing me which clips from the video it's going to include. And then it's also tagging these learning objectives throughout the storyboard. I can use the AI agent to edit the storyboard here. So I may say, add some more videos, or I want you to add some AI-generated videos or something like that. Same agent. It has all the context from this conversation that we've already had with it. Okay, now I'm going to have it build the lesson. Okay, it looks like the AI generated this lesson. Looks like it pulled in some video clips from this video. This 49-second clip. It brought in this minute 58 clip. The authoring tool itself here in Mindsmith, you'll notice every element gets what we call a tile. And these tiles you can rearrange and resize. So I could bring this tile down here, pull it across, maybe make this row a little bit taller. We give you a lot of flexibility, but everything is also in this WYSIWYG editor. So if I want to edit something, I just click into that tile to edit it. Again, it's the same agent throughout this entire end-to-end experience. So I could jump in and I could say, I have a new document and I want you to update this lesson based on this new document. And the AI will look through the document, look through the lesson, tell me the updates that it needs to make, and then it will actually make those updates. You can see it generated some AI images here. We have a lot of different tile types. These are all of our interactives. We have things like branching scenarios, but you can also design like experiences and simulations in that builder. We have AI video generation. We have real-time conversations if you want to do role plays or other types of conversations. There's a lot of power here in the authoring tool itself. Also, every element in Mindsmith, all of these tiles have advanced settings. So you can click on the options and edit the settings specific to that tile. There are a lot of other things here in the authoring tool. We have things like you can manage languages. You can see your engagement analytics, so you can do a deep dive into where people are dropping off in a lesson or how they're performing on individual assessment questions. We have a commenting system, a theming system, we have history. We invented this thing also called dynamic SCORM, so if you want to make any updates in Mindsmith, you can have them update automatically in the learning management system if you're using the SCORM infrastructure. So a lot of power here, but that's a basic introduction to Mindsmith. Thanks.